In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add time tracking to your Monday.com board. First, open your Monday.com account and head to your home view. From there, navigate into Workspaces. This is where all your boards live, organized by teams or projects. Choose the workspace that contains the board you want to track time on. Then open the specific board. If you're following along, you should now be looking at your board with its existing columns and items. To add time tracking, go to the far right of your column headers and click the plus button to add a new column. In the column picker, start typing time tracking. Select the time tracking column type. This creates a dedicated place in each row where you can capture time spent, either live with a timer or by entering it manually. It's a great way to keep accurate records for billing, reporting, or understanding where your team's effort goes. With the column added, let's start tracking time on an item. Find the row you want to work on and look at the new time tracking cell for that row. You'll see a small play icon. Click the play button to start the timer. While the timer runs, Monday.com records an active session for that item. When you're done, click the same button again to stop the timer and save the session. A quick tip: keep one timer running at a time to avoid overlapping sessions and keep your totals clean. If you forgot to start the timer or need to log past work, you can add a session manually. Click into the time tracking cell for the item to open its session log. Choose Add Session Manually. You'll be prompted to select a date, then set the start at time and the end at time. Take a moment to confirm the times reflect the actual work period. Monday.com will calculate the duration between those times for you. When everything looks correct, click Add Session to save it. That entry is now part of the item's time history and will be counted in the total. From here, you can repeat the process for any item on the board. Start the timer when you begin work, stop it when you finish, or add sessions manually as needed. Over time, the time tracking column will show you a running total per item, and the session log gives clear detail for audits or reviews. That's all you need to add time tracking to your board and use it with confidence.